Well, crowds just like we saw there are a major concern for Mecklenburg County health officials who are trying to use contact tracing as a way to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. Contact tracing works when a person who has tested positive is isolated and provides health officials with a list of names of people they've been in close contact with so they can be tested as well. But in places like those packed bars we just saw, people are unable to give health officials the names of the complete strangers they may have been next to. WCNC Charlotte's Ashley Daly has been following the county's latest contact tracing efforts, which includes a meeting today with the director of the CDC. Ashley.
Yeah, Sarah, that's right. The director of the CDC was here in Charlotte today meeting with Mecklenburg County health officials. He says mainly because health officials here were some of the first in the nation to discover that the virus was disproportionately affecting the Hispanic community. So he says he came here today wanting to learn more, and he says he's happy with what he saw. But as you were just mentioning, when it comes to contact tracing, we also heard from the Mecklenburg County Director of Public Health, Gibby Harris, today. She says the county is facing major challenges. She says many people don't answer or return phone calls made by county officials. She also says when they do make contact with somebody who's tested positive, they aren't always willing to tell health officials information about where they've been or what they've been doing. And making contact tracing even harder, Gibby Harris says that it's the fact that test results are still taking up to 10 days to come back. But one thing we did hear over and over again today at today's press conference was the importance of wearing a face mask. Both Dr. Redfield and Ms. Harris emphasize that the faster everyone gets on board with wearing a mask, the faster we can bring the number of cases down.
We are not defenseless against this virus. We actually have some of the most powerful weapons you could ask to have. And the most powerful weapon that we have that I know of is wearing face coverings when you're in public.
Dr. Redfield said today that despite the number of cases continuing to increase across North Carolina, he says it is an improvement from where the state was 6 weeks ago. And he says the CDC is rather more focused and more concerned on states like South Carolina. Reporting live, Ashley Daly, WCNC Charlotte.
Like he said, so important to wear those face coverings and think of others. Ashley, thank you.